Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Knox, Marshall, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. Wind advisory in effect until 11 p.m. this evening. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour this afternoon. West winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour this evening. Where? Marshall, McLean, Peoria, Stark, Tazewell, Woodford, and Knox counties. When? Until 11 p.m. this evening. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution